Welcome back to the 28-day knitting challenge. We're on day 24 and today is all about one of the most exciting techniques in knitting, cables and twists. If you ever admired those beautiful textured knits with those stitches that looks like braids or ropes, that's the magic of cables. They might look complicated, but I promise they're easier than they seem. By the end of this video, you will know how to create simple twists without a cable needle, or how to make basic cable crosses that are the foundation from so many classic knitting designs. So let's dive in. Cables and twists create high relief texture in knitting by crossing stitches over one another. Twists are subtle, made over just 2 stitches. They don't require a cable needle. Cables involve crossing larger sections of stitches, usually on a background of pearls, to make them stand out. We will start with simple twists. Those are easy, elegant, and perfect for adding a bit of movement to your fabric. The right twist, slant to the right. Let me just knit 2. Then you knit the second stitch on your left needle first, but you don't drop the stitch. So you just take and knit. Then you knit the first stitch as usual. Only now you drop both stitches together. Again, you knit the second stitch first, then you knit the first stitch. For the left twist, the slant to the left, you insert your needle behind the first stitch and into the second stitch. You pull the yarn and only then you knit the first stitch, dropping both. So again, you go under the first stitch, you knit the second, and then knit the first. This is trickiest. See the direction of the stitches? Now let's move to cables. Now, classic cables. Those are built by temporarily holding stitches to the front or the back before knitting them in a different order. You can use a cable needle or a safety pin. Now for cable for front that slants to the left, you slip 2 stitches into a cable needle, 1 and 2, and hold it to the front. You knit the next 2 stitches on the left needle as usual, and then you knit those 2 stitches from the cable needle. if you have a safety pin, you slip 2 stitches, knit 2, and put those 2 stitches back on the left needle. And knit. Those are cable for front, or C4F. Now let me purl so I can start the cable for back with the cable needle with the holding stitches on the back. Now, we start with the cable needle and we slip 2 stitches and hold it to the back of the work. Then we knit 2 stitches and then we knit those 2 from the cable needle. With a safety pin, we slip 2 stitches, hold into the back, knit 2 stitches, and we slip those 2 back to the needle. To knit them. And that's it. Now you have the foundation for so many cable patterns, like cozy cable knit sweater, hats, mittens, even blankets. Now that you have mastered basic cables and twists, I love to see your progress. So share a photo of your progress with me, maybe on Instagram, tag me, so I can cheer on with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson too, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy knitting!